Hi friends, in this video we are going to look at one way to make a powerful and stronger weight loss recipe with the chia seeds. And when you take this in your dinner or breakfast, first you will stop gaining weight and later you will lose weight drastically and permanently. Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow. Let's look at the ingredients needed for this super powerful recipe. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in protein and very low in carbs. Along with that, their high fiber content can help you to burn belly fat and contribute to weight loss. Almond milk or soy milk. Why am I choosing almond milk? Regular cow milk has 8 grams of fat and gives 150 calories, while soy milk has 4.5 grams of fat and gives 80 calories, whereas almond milk has only 2.5 grams of fat and gives as little as 45 calories. Almond milk has lowest calories and that's why I prefer this. If you don't have almond milk, you can use soy milk or skimmed cow milk. Cinnamon powder. Cinnamon helps to lower blood sugar levels and works as anti-diabetic. It reduces visceral fat which is stored in belly, buttocks and thighs. Turmeric. The curcumin present in the turmeric burns the specific fat cells in the abdomen. It also boosts metabolism, reduces cholesterol and speeds up weight loss process. Dry ginger powder. In a study conducted, ginger is found to suppress obesity, LDL cholesterol and triglycerides. Let's see how to make this. In a glass, take 2 teaspoons of chia seeds. Toss in a pinch of cinnamon powder. Add a half teaspoon of turmeric. Now toss in 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. Now pour fresh chilled almond milk. If you don't get almond milk, as I said, you can always use soy milk or skimmed cow milk. While pouring the milk, keep stirring to mix the contents. Keep it in the fridge for 30 minutes or more and enjoy this yummy special weight loss pudding. Eating this in the place of breakfast or dinner can contribute to faster weight loss and helps burn stubborn fat. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.